Yan. Hello everyone! Welcome po sa video natin ngayon. Ako po ulit si Forex Coach Jonathan Lu. It's very nice to have you here. At ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay Heiken Ashi na indicator po. No? So technically it's an indicator but it's more of looking at candlestick. So more on chart construction kasi siya yun, or rather than an indicator on its own. But anyway, let's take a look at our Heiken Ashi first. No? Ano, saan ba natin makita? By the way, Heiken Ashi translates as average pace, no? Kasi meron siyang ginagawang mga certain computations na ina-average out niya yung price. It actually reduces the noise in the market. Kasi kung titignan nyo dito, yung ating candlesticks ngayon, I know that it looks a little bit crazy, no? In a way that you see some bullish candlesticks followed by some bearish candlesticks, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Tapos hindi siya ganun ka-smoothen out, no? Kunwari, makikita mo bumababa yung presyo. In the middle of that, you do see some bullish candlesticks in between kahit pababa pa rin naman siya. So it kind of removes some of that noise so that it can give you a clearer picture kung saan po ba papunta yung trend. So dito natin makikita yan, no? Insert, indicators, and when we go to custom, makikita nyo po, just go to the H part na nasa may gitna yan and visit Heiken Ashi. Makikita nyo dyan, meron tayo sa MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now, if you open it, just leave the colors as is. Okay na rin naman yan by default. It already does what it does. So, if you click OK, makikita nyo na parang papatong siya doon sa ating candlestick. So, it might be a good idea to actually remove your candlestick chart para mas makita nyo clearly kung saan yung Heiken Ashi natin. So, to do that, simply go to Properties and tanggalin nyo lang dito yung bar up, bar down, bull candle, bear candle, and the line chart. Just remove all of them. Gawin mo lang none yung color. Okay, so tanggalin lang natin silang lahat. Ayan. So, kita nyo, yung bar up pala, nakakalimutan ko. Ayan. So, all of them are gone. So, makita nyo na dito, wala na siya. And if you click OK, you are now left with your Heiken Ashi. So, paano natin interpret yan? So, notice that your Heiken Ashi also looks like your candlesticks, di ba? Pareho lang yung itsura nila, to be honest, no? Iba lang yung computation, no? Meron lang siyang ina-average out. That's why it gives you, less noise in the market. Kung napapansin nyo, pag nagpo-produce siya ng mga blue candlesticks, mas tuloy-tuloy yung blue. Tapos pag nagpo-produce siya ng red, no, mas tuloy-tuloy yung red kesa dun sa kanina natin na paiba-iba, no. So let's take a look at a similar chart para mas ma-compare natin. So right now I'm looking at Euro GBP. So bukas tayo din ng Euro GBP and let's just show the black and white charts that we saw earlier, and let's visit H4. Yan. Okay. So kung titignan natin yung kaninang chart natin, ayan, oh. So, this is our Heiken Ashi. Kita nyo, very smooth yung candles natin po ba. We only had like one blue candle over here. The rest of them are red. Dire-diretso blue pataas, dire-diretso red pababa, no? We have some two blue candlesticks over here in the middle, pero maliit lang naman. Blue pataas, red pababa, blue pataas lahat, except just like one candlestick over here. Okay? And then dito, red pababa, blue pataas. So, kita nyo, relatively smoother siya. If you compare it to your candlestick chart, it looks a lot messier, di ba? Mapapansin nyo na may mga white in between. This part is just really confusing, no? Hindi siya kasing linis nung kanina, no? So if you want to smoothen all of those out, try to use your Heiken Ashi candle. So your Heiken Ashi candles, they are particularly good at identifying the trend. So it might be a good idea to add them to some trend following techniques. So for example, sabihin natin, we're gonna use simple moving averages to identify the trend, and we're going to add continuation patterns, no, para makapasok tayo sa market. By the way, you can search dito sa channel natin sa PAFTI, meron tayong moving averages at saka meron din tayong continuation patterns. I suggest you check those out. So for example, let's go for a simple moving average na ano lang, 10 and 20. No? Let's just, keep it simple. Let's just try to add 20 over here. Okay, a simple moving average. Okay, and then let's go with another simple moving average na 10. Okay, para makita natin yung trend based on that, and let's color it red. Yan. Okay. Alright, so over here, we clearly have a buy signal. Okay? Tapos sabihin natin, anything above above that, if we see some sort of continuation patterns, pwede tayo pumasok. So, currently, we're looking at a couple of flag patterns. So, kita nyo dito, di ba? Dire-diretso yung rally pataas yung market, tapos makikita nyo, nagkaroon ka ng consolidation pababa. Once the market breaks out of that, okay, that's a good entry for you to take. Pwede ka bumili hanggang pataas, so that's a good trade to take. Tapos, meron kang isa pang, wait lang. Meron kang isa pang flag pattern, no, that you see over here. Okay. And then the market breaks out of that, pero eventually bumaba, no? Could have hit your stop loss, and that's still okay, no? Eventually, bumaba na yung market, no? And crosses over here, so wala na tayong trade dyan. So we had like 2 trades in that setup, 1 good trade, 1 bad trade. If we're looking at 1:2 risk-reward ratio, okay na yan, no? That would have been a very profitable trade already, no? So, pwede nyong palitan yung paraan ng pag-identify natin ng trend, no? You can remove your moving average indicators. You can, use simple trend lines kung gusto nyo. Simple trend lines are okay. You can use Ichimoku Kinko Hayo or whatever indicator that you want to use. Yung classic lang natin na higher low, higher high, zigzag indicators are already okay. Para maidagdag dyan, no? So, yan po ang ating Heiken Ashi na indicator. And hopefully magamit nyo po yan. These are great trend following additions, no, na pwede nyo ilagay sa strategy nyo. And hopefully you make a lot of money from using that indicator. So, anyway, thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe po dito sa video natin at sa channel natin. Yun lang po, happy na ako. And I'll see you guys in our next video. And don't forget, no, to support PAFTI din. All you need to do is just to open an account para makasali po kayo sa ating Discord group. Kung saan pwede po tayo mag-discuss about the market. We have some trading ideas there. And kumbaga tulungan po tayo doon. Alright? So, nandiyan naman po sa description on how to open an account with PAFTI. Alright? So, anyway, thank you everyone. And I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye-bye.